Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Mojibur Rahman Khan, ID 192235705, Section A, Department of Textile Engineering. Today I will discuss on about coronavirus and textile industry. First of all, thanks to my honorable teacher Tanbir Ahmed Choudhury, who gave me a chance to create this kinds of presentation in this situation due to coronavirus. Contents about presentation topic. Introduction. Coronavirus are a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS) and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS). A novel coronavirus was identified in 2019 in Wuhan, China. This is a new coronavirus that has not been previously identified in human. Next. Textile industry situation before COVID-19. The textile and clothing industries provide the single source of growth in Bangladesh's rapidly developing economy. Exports of textile and garments are the principal source of foreign exchange earnings. By 2002, exports of textile, clothing and ready-made garments. In 1972, the World Bank approximated the gross domestic product of Bangladesh at 6.29 billion US, and it grew to 173.82 billion by 2014, with 31.2 billion of that generated by exports, 82% of which was ready-made garments. As of 2016, Bangladesh held the second place in producing garments, just after China. Bangladesh is the world's second largest apparel exporter of Western fast fashion brands. Next, present situation of textile industry. Bangladesh ready-made garment sector accounts for around 80% of the country's manufacturing income, with at least 4 million workers depending on it. Although the number of COVID-19 cases is not too high in the South Asian country, the pandemic posed a great risk to this sector and the livelihood of garment workers. Bangladesh has lost around 1.5 billion, which has impacted some 1.2 million workers, according to Rubana Haq, President of Bangladesh Garments Exports and Manufacturing Association (BGMEA). Foreign brands are increasingly derailing and cancelling orders. Next, events postponed and cancelled by coronavirus. The organizers of the apparel shows have announced that all these year's events will now take place online. Pandemic could sink US apparel sales by 50% in 2020 August. US textile and apparel sales could sink by more than 50% this year due to US textile and apparel sales could sink by more than 50% this year due to coronavirus outbreak. Top executives say, but fabric makers are set to fare better than retailers amid a booming personal protective equipment shift. Next, factories condition. Factories condition due to coronavirus, we can see that there is a probability tree. We know that our country's textile is the second largest industry in the world, but we can not earn foreign money for COVID-19 because of coronavirus. Many workers are afraid to come to work. In this situation, our factory is going to close at that time. We can see firstly on 3.16 billion shipments are cancelled. Secondly, 7 million workers are started at joblessness. Thirdly, in the probability tree, 1 million workers have already been fired. Fourthly, we can see that in the probability tree, 47% workers are not receiving their wage. we can see that there are two pictures of our textile industry in Bangladesh. There are no workers due to coronavirus. As a result, our country's earning foreign money has been stopped and factories owners as soon as pour for their deliveries. Thank you. That's all my presentation today. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.